normal time on rainy days. Nouns and sentence. Copy the sentence in your notebook complete, then have nouns given for each set. Boy, toys, dog, room. X, vacation day. 8. It's playing in his. He play with his pet. They play. Where they scattered around the room. Cat brother house Anna. Here you go. 7. To get a broom outside the house. She brought her pit. 8. Inside sushi can clean the house well. To avoid or reduce loss of life. Plural form of nouns. After watching and listening to the Bubuli Symphony Orchestra, Toko and his friend went to a mission. They saw many things and pictures there helped Toko and his friend name what is in each picture and give him plural form, then fill the blanks into sentence with either the singular or the plural form of the word. Do this activity in your notebook. Name plural form. Side by side. I use my when I write way or use when we write. Show in figure 6. I put do not stick the tape on the boxes too much. The tape is meant to come off. Imagine the boxes as the ground and the boundary between them as a phone. Energy from inside the earth makes the ground move. You simulate this by pulling on the rubber band. There is no movement right away because of friction. What represent friction is activity. Once friction is overcome, the ground suddenly moves as the school. My brother has many. Some scientists describe this process as stick and slip. At first, the rocks are stuck together due to the friction. Later, the rock suddenly slip, generating an earthquake every time a fault slip. The earthquakes. In the activity, there was a suddenly but the shaking the boxes did not shake as in a real earthquake. Let us see what the next model does shows. After performing this activity, you should be able to explain the effect of bending of rocks along faults and relate faults movement and earthquakes. You simply attach the ruler about the boy ends together. What happened to the set is at the end? Overlap. Do you think it is good to describe something? Should you have said inside if you were the boy and the story? Would you do the sun picture
thing
below.
he did
When
why?
slowly move
Was
your
there
hands in the
also a
direction
time
of
in
the
your life when
rulers.
you almost
What
lost
happens
hope?
when
What
bending
did
becomes too
you
much?
do?
Not
Charge
if nothing
your
happens,
goal.
superset the
Copy
rollers
the story from in your
touch them
notebook.
only slightly.
Complete the story from by choosing from the word phrases inside the box. The story is about a who,
then
his brother,
the rulers
father, and brother. I believe that the seed, but the counted. He did not until one day. The voice was boy. The carrot said, "Happy won't grow. A carrot plant come up. Lost hope. Planted a carrot said, watering the ground and pulling out weeds. Let us do the fill the gap hope.
When too much bending occurs and the limit is reached,
Copy
the
the
rock suddenly
sentence with missing words. The press write on the blank the word and phrase that makes them more sense. To complete each sentence, the bird fly to its nest on the grass on the ground, branch of the tree. Let's pick up the ripe fruit that fell from of the tree. Grass, branch, have hard shell. Crabs, frogs, on rainy days make a lot of noise. Crab, frogs, my birthday present was a toy that runs drum track. Listen to the beat of the and the bread. Drum track. We get many on our birthday and on Christmas. Present track. Name what are defined and the following. Write the answers and your notebook are specific names we give to people, animals, things, or events, or the general names we give to people and animals, things, of events.
The surface of the earth, the taste of the food on the surface of the earth is called the fault line. Be ready to point up the fault
Message
line
to
when your
Toto.
teacher calls on you.
Pretend to be Coco Crocodile. Write on clean sheet of paper your message to Toto when he did not get mad at you. Dear Toto, I am happy because your friend. Write what games do you play with your friend? Draw one of them. Write two sentences about your drawing. Read words. The princess. Do you remember the word with short O and a sound red? The following word. Bad, God, bus, hungry, lots, some, up, shop, hub. Read the phrases with short O and O sound. A hungry turtle on the bus went up. Food hub. Lots of food. Had to shop. Good his cart. Some of money. Read a short story. Here is other another story about the turtle. Let's read it. But the hungry turtle, was hungry turtle. He had no food in his mouth. He had to shop for food. He took a bus to the market. He went up the market. He went to food hub to shop. We got lots of food. He spent 500. The food was put in bags. Then he put the bags in his cart. He brought the bags and the cart home on the bus. He won't be a hungry turtle anymore.
That means that the outer core is liquid at certain depth. The waves are reflected on reflection beam. That means the earth must be layered. This ethics will give us a picture of the earth in entire the way and ultrasound provides an
Draw and write. What you want to be, draw it right. 1 to 2 sentence about your drawing. Read and learn. Read the paragraph. Days passed and the bubbly salmon orchestra become known to the land. Many animals and lived Toko as the star conductor. One day Toko's friend come to visit him. They afraid Toko a branch of daisies and a tray of lilies. Toko was filled with joy. He thanked his friend for their togetherness.
Administration pag-asa. About 50 typical cyclones enter the Philippines. Cyclones if we want to prevent the loss of more lives. Why is the Philippines prone?
Manhihi sa
Typhoon, what
kutawda.
condition favor the formation of typhoon?
Ito na ako tayo sa ako sa iyana. Mangihi sa ako. Ngit-ngit ka ayaw. Madunggang naman na ni mo kaudang God.
The 20th century is the only no short people that safe to see, and we do not know what to live anymore. The sea is one of the particular natures of matter. The particular nature of matter is one of the principles that people around. Explode of fire. The 20th century is the only known short period.
Pero magbasa na ako balik.
This century.
Plural
Depends.
for of nouns complete don't like cherry.
it in the sky. Every year, time it makes its nearest approach to the sun, all the other comets that have been identified are classified as long period comets and take 200
See it, say it.
200
Choose the
millions
sentence
of
that
years to
tells
complete their
about the
orbits
picture.
around
Write
the
the sentence in your notebook.
On
The
the
plant
other hand,
has
originate from the
The
main
plant has
asteroids belt between Mars
pest.
and Jupiter. This belt is recognized
There,
by scientists
there
to
is
be
a
remarks
big
of a
nest.
plant that did not completely form.
There is a big vest.
This
This is a vest for Ben. His is the test for Ben. Sige. Ay na. Ngayon mag English. 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 Basa tayo ha. Sige.
Ulinggit ka na.
How well do instructions? Sige. Ang ginang bangko, magpadoon ko para ignan ko nagbasa ko. Sige.
A meteor can be as small as a
Lesson
grain.
Carol's clown. How well do I listen and interact
A grain
with others
sand.
group?
Or
Your
or
self-best and
big as
trees
boulder when
discussed
in
with your group.
atmosphere. The earth is
Meters.
for of the meteor.
Meters your answer to each of this question. At the beginning of the story, what happened to Lemon's clutches? What did his friend tell him? What did he do to mend his storm chose? How did his storm toes look after meeting them with the seawing matchas? What has party for? What did Lemon wear in the party? How do you think Lemon felt about the clutch he wore at the party way that Lemon promised to take care of the new suit? If Lemon listened to his friend advice, how should that prevent having so fast many stickers on his clutch? How about you? How do you take care of your clutch of others' things
In February 2013, the
you own?
of the world meteorite
No one can stop me.
incurred
Who are you
instead
going
a
my
meteor
chest?
explode
Natural
over
cap.
Russia.
What do you
The
think
space
Mark
rocket
will do
men
with that fine?
They collected
Flying lamok.
ground
Plants made of
are
for
the meteorites.
deer,
So there are
deer,
meteorite,
chilled,
and meteorite are most
mouse,
likely to be found
Show.
in the diagram below. Use the following symbols
Run
for
and
each
rose.
meteor.
Run and rat. Where do you they see the crabs? On the sand. Down the sun. How many legs do you crabs have? 6, 7. What? 6, 7. What do you crabs do? Run well. What happened to the two crabs? Run and clap and fell down.
Each symbol of matter
Today you will write a simple story by group. Here are pictures and words you can use in writing your own story. Look at the pictures very careful. Read the words for phrases using the word for sentence using the press. Form the story using the sentence.
As you observe that the mass of each symbol of matter in activity 1 is different from the mass of the other
Work
symbols.
together.
We also found out that earth symbol of matter accomplished space.
Work
The
together.
measure of the space accompanied by an object is called volume. All matter have mass and volume. There are other properties of matter such as hardness, texture, color, flexibility, malleability, and electrical conductivity, which
One
vary
shell.
from one symbol
Just
to
love
another.
to chat with
Recall
children.
that in
Read
grade 7 you
jump.
studied
Choice bread.
other properties of
cheese.
matter. You perform
Here's cupid.
activities
Fried
to find
chicken. Fried
out
chicken.
some common
Read the
properties of
sentence
solution.
crying.
You
The champ
investigate how
loves
fast
to
sugar
that
and salt
with
dissolve
children.
in
He
water.
put chips
You
and
compare
chocolate
the
on the
boiling
hair
point
for them.
of a substance
He also gave them bread
distilled
with
water
cheese.
with the
The
of a
chopped
mixture seawater.
fried chicken. The
Now
child
that you can
chose the
correctly
new the chopped
describe
fried
matter based
chicken.
on
Some
the
chip
properties
fell
you
on
have
the chest
observed,
chest
it is
of the
important
children.
that you
Bits
know what
of
matter
this
is made
were
of,
left
what
on
makes
her
up
chin.
matter. If you
All
hammer
of
the
them
stone you use in
the
activity 1
clam
into much
to
smaller pieces,
drink him.
what would you get
Scheming
if
for
you
ideas.
turn the sugar
Look at
into
this.
very fine powder? What
These
would result?
3 pictures
Ice,
of
liquid, water,
Almira
and
Dani
steam are all the same
and
substance,
their
which is
mother
water, yet you can
complete
observe
each
that
sentence.
they look
Stunning
different from
what
each
you
other.
see in
How
each
can
picture.
this
Write your answers
explain?
in your notebook.
Questions
Story
can be
no one.
answered in the next activity.
Almira was together rather than was goodbye to her mother. Hindi na akong nanastawda. Gutom na ako.
Ang kalingaw ba ko ano dito?
Ha?
Ang kalingaw ko ano? Thinking thinking about sugar and water is made up of tiny particles with your ground mates discuss and give your reason as for the observation you made in.
Now go over this
illustration.
text.
To further explain
Set
your
of
reason as
relating
transfer the
picture
sugar
of
mixture
Almira
into a grad
and Danny
little
once more complete
cylinder.
each sentence,
What is the
pasting
volume
what
of the
you
sugar
see
and
in each
water
picture.
mixture?
Then write
Is
what
the
you
volume
think is
of
circled,
the
and
resulting
the
sugar
story
mixture
is all
equal
about.
more
Write
than
the
or
complete
less than
sentence in your notebook.
the
Storyboard
sum
no.
in L sugar
Olmira
5
and
and
Danny
plus
are
50
walking
in L water
along the
of the
grocery line.
of the
Storyboard
mixed
no.
sugar,
Danny sees a
the water.
wall
Think
that
about
fell from a
sugar and
man's
water as made
pocket.
up of tiny particles with your
Storyboard no.
groundmates.
Danny returns
Discuss and
the
give
wallet
your reason as
to the
for the
man. The man's
observation you
happy.
made in 3.
Olmira
You may
is
draw
proud
illustration to further
of
explain
Danny.
your reason
I
as
see.
pour
And picture
1
1
cup
and
of
picture
tap
1 and
water
picture 3.
into a transparent glass bottle. Add
Read
1
and
small
learn.
drop of food
Find a
coloring
partner.
slowly
Read
along the
each
side
word
of the
to
transparent
your partner.
bottle.
Match the
Describe what you
word that
observed
the picture. Write your
adding the food
answers
coloring.
in your
Set
notebook.
aside
Watch.
the bottle with food coloring in a locker or corner of your room with your,
Branch.
without disturbing the setup. Describe
Rich.
the appearance of the contents of
Sketch.
the bottles. After 1 day, compare it
Bench.
with the appearance when you left the bottle the previous day. What happens to the food coloring drop in the bottle container? White, water white, or all your observation
Scanning
is
for
in your notebook.
specific
Think
information
about
and
food
food
coloring
facts.
and water
Go
as made
over
up
the
of
information
particles with
written
your
and
groundmates.
his food
Discuss
fact and
and
answer in your
give your
notebook
reason
the
as
questions
for
about
the
its
observation you made
contents.
in.
What
6.
kind
You
of
may
drink
draw
this? The
illustration
food
to
pack
further explain your
contains
reason
what
as
name is given
studying
to the drink.
about what
How
matter
many
is made
milligrams
up
of the drink does the
of
pack
involves
contain?
dealing with
Where
very
was
small
the drink
particles
made
beyond
up
what
to
your eyes
when will
can
it
see. In fact,
stay
the
fresh?
unsaid
What
great
must be
philosophers
done to it will
propose
remain
ideas
fresh
about
once
what
it
matter
is
must be
opened?
of almost
What
250 years
minerals
ago
can be
years
get
ago,
from drink?
and describe
What picture do
Paul
you see
Demons
on
creators
the
believe
food
the
pack?
mixture
Why
consists
do you
of
think
two
that
things
picture
atoms
was
and the avoid
planned
that around
there?
them.
Giancho
Killer
comment.
1920 2030. They believe
Please
that
refrigerate
atoms are the
once
avoid that
opened.
surrounds
What did
them.
Chad do with the
Lead
crush
atoms,
the rivet?
especially
How
but not
did
completely
he
invisible
feel
from
about one
non-circuit
he did
atoms
with the money
indestructible and completely
got?
full. So
What
there is
was his
no empty space,
reaction
both
to the
liquids
challenge
and
given
demonstrators
to him?
and
What
the
did
idea that there
he
were
know about it?
many different
What
kinds
did
of atoms and each of
mommy
them
say
had
about Chad's
a
decision?
specific
Copy
shape
his
and
web
size, and that all
in your
atoms move
notebook
randomly
and
around
complete
him.
it
This word
with
they did
words,
not give an
which is
explanation
from the
for
chat
the
the
motion
honey skin.
atoms.
You will have to add more because if reading paper and pen activity, what do you usually do to keep your food clean and safe from insect? Let us make sentence on ways to make your food stay clean and safe. Use the action words inside box. Action words: wash, close, clean, keep, cover, collect.
The safety size. Explain what you observe. You may represent your comfort in an illustration of the challenges and procedures of it and other illustration of changing and the particles of water. Alas na dito ka matulog.
Alas 9 na, matulog naman ko alas 8.
Gusto city naman.
Alas 8. Comic strip. Lesson as your teacher reads the comic strip. Nagpitok-pitok man lagi to, be. Saan ba ako lang taon dila sa video? Ha?
Wala bitaw.
Lesson as your teacher reads.
Models of the three states.
Reads the comic strip. Look at the pictures. Bantay ang tagpi. Reading strip mo feel are beauty. Bantay is looking at his collection of on the bank.
In other words,
He is counting him.
to push the plunger of the
Wonder where some of my bank.
when water is in.
Tagpi arrived running, calling, and
Gipalo, 33 minutes ba?